Hello kids, welcome to Kids and Mom Olaham book reading. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to read Word Birds Rainy Day Dance. Come on, let's read the book. Rainy Day Dance by Jane Bell Moncure. One rainy day, Miss Beery said, "Let's dance a rainy day story dance. Who wants to be a farmer?" "I do," said Wordbird. "I will be the farmer in our dance." "I will be a carrot," said Bunny. "I will be an apple tree," said Mouse. "I will be a flower," said Cat. "Now we need raindrops for our story dance," said Wordbird. "We will be raindrops," said Frog and Duck. "Are we ready?" asked Frog. "Wait," said Wordbird. "We need sunshine for our story dance." "I will be the sunshine," said Pig. "I will do a sunshine dance." "The rest of us will be the wind," said Miss Beery. "We will blow the raindrops." Wordbird made a stage with blocks. Then Wordbird called Bunny, Mouse, and Cat to the stage. "Here we go," said Wordbird. "The farmer plows the ground and plants seeds one by one." Wordbird gave Bunny, Mouse, and Cat each a pat on the head. They curled up on the floor. "The farmer rakes the ground," said Wordbird. Bunny giggled. Mouse giggled too. "And the farmer pulls the weeds," Wordbird said. Wordbird pulled Cat's tail just a tiny bit. Cat giggled. "I'm not a weed," Cat said. "Now it is our turn," said Frog and Duck. "We are raindrops, drip drop, drip drop." Frog jumped over the seats. "The rain is raining all around," Frog sang. "It rains on the farmer's field," said Duck, "and it makes mud puddles." "The wind blows the raindrops," said Frog. Everyone blew. Frog nearly fell over. "The little seed pop out of the ground," said Wordbird. Bunny, Mouse, and Cat popped up. "It's my turn," said Pig. "The sun shines on the little plants." Pig danced on tiptoes until the big yellow hat fell off and rolled away. "Oh dear," said Pig, running after it. "Keep dancing," said Wordbird. Bunny stood up on tiptoes. "Now I am a crunchy carrot, thanks to the rain and sun," Bunny said. "I am a tree," said Mouse. "I will keep growing until I have big juicy apples." And I am a flower blowing in a wind, said Cat. As the story dance came to an end, Wordbird said, first came the raindrops, then came the sun, and the little plants grew one by one. The end. You did such a good story dance, said Miss Beery. I think we will have a bubble party for a rainy day treat. Blows lots and lots of bubbles, and everyone did. That's the end of the story. Kids, can you read these birds with the word bird? Hope you all enjoy the story. So enjoy your day. We'll meet you on next story. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye-bye.